My app, ProMaster phone app, custom ProMaster phone app, it'll make you happy. Buy my app, buy my goddamn app, buy this freaking app, it'll make you happy. Buy my app, buy my app. Well, all right, you sawed-off little freaks. This one's going to be a short one because I was in Vegas for much of the week, and now I'm doing double duty when I get back because everything's due. Oh, woe is me. I had a great time in Vegas. Maybe I'll tell you about it later. Anyway, so this is something that should have been on the market 10 years ago, but wasn't. But now is, from our friendly friends at Dorman, who are actually make some very good stuff sometimes. More to the point, it is a replacement socket for your headlight. Now, if you're still stupid enough to be running glass bulbs rather than upgrading to LEDs, that's your business. But what happens is, if you are running the glass bulbs, when this whole assembly breaks, the socket assembly, then the bulb gets loose, it falls out, it melts, and it melts this, and you couldn't get just this pigtail without buying the whole headlight bucket. Well, goddammit, now you can, so that's exciting. If you have to repair a bucket, this will come in very handy. I haven't installed one yet because I usually am smart enough to just go with LEDs because they're cheaper and they don't burn out every 6 weeks and you can see better, and these are all good things. But if you are repairing a bucket, there's that. How to pin it, I don't know. You just match it. I don't know how it works. I expect to have to do this at some point. Maybe I'll make a better video. But anyway, that's your cheap, shitty video for this week. 86550. Oh, it has instructions. This may be superfluous. Let's take a look. Look at the production value I put into these videos for you people. One-handed. I don't even own a tripod for this. Oh, I didn't even know that. All right, shows you taken out. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it shows you that. Install the new socket by pushing it. Oh, see, you wrenches make fun of Dorman for some reasons, but nobody else is doing this with instructions. That's great. Look, in a helpline, you can call them and ask them if this shirt matches these pants. Okay, well. Oh, we can learn Spanish or French on the other side. That's exciting. I don't know. I'll let you read that at your leisure. I got to get back to work. Okay. Well then, let's talk on Wednesday if I'm not dead by then. Hey, I decided to add something. One last note to you people, because the purpose of this channel is Edutainment, and the first half about that headlight socket bulb was the Edu, and this will be the Tainment. So I go to Vegas, and you know, I've seen a lot of rock concerts, and I do enjoy a big spectacle concert. I saw Iron Maiden with the Thing with the giant mummy. I saw Dio fight dragons with laser swords and shit. I saw Neil Young have remote control cockroaches on the stage, and probably the pinnacle of the high production rock show I saw was Floyd. I saw the Floyd in '87, something like that. I have taken a lot of drugs, but it was pretty impressive as a spectacle. And I do enjoy a spectacle, and so shall you. But I go to Vegas, and Barry fucking Manilow kicked my ass. Best goddamn rock show I've ever seen. Holy shit. Fire pots, costume changes, the whole Megillah. The fucker's 82, and he's been schlepping that nose around for all those 82 years. It was really impressive. It was a hell of a show. It may be the single best rock show I've ever seen. While I'm pontificating, the single best rock show I've ever seen was Frampton play a free show in Akron around 2000. No production whatsoever, just kick ass. Frampton. He was bald then. But this married, the Manilow here married the thing, and you'll get a taste of that. Motorized ego ramp coming down from the ceiling. I didn't see it. Barry comes out. He's got the thing. Big coda at the end of Copacabana, as you would expect. The heavy metal portion of the show, worth the price of admission alone. At the end of the thing, at the crescendo, fire pots explode and streamers coat everybody in paper. I mean, come on. What more do you want? Barry, man. Dig it. So it means that in one calendar year, I have seen 3 fantastic acts as a blast from somebody's past, barely even my past. Charo, kick my ass. Herb Alpert, ass kicking. And Barry Manilow, holy shit, there's no ass left to kick. All right, well, I'm glad I was able to share that with you, and maybe we'll talk more about it someday. Carry on, goodbye. He's a goddamn